Hi there. So today I will be setting up a lead nurturing workflow for a customer who downloads a free guide. To start, I will set a goal. Setting a goal is important because when you set a goal, it stops the workflow for email recipients who have done what I want them to do. In my example, the ultimate goal is for the customer to book a phone call. To get this set up, I go here to edit goal, contacts me to goal, and then form submissions, and then contact us form, because that's where the email, or sorry, that's where people can book the phone call. And down here, I'll click save and save again. Now we will set up the action that triggers this workflow to begin, which will be the email recipient downloading the free guide. So to do that, I click set up triggers, and then when an event occurs, and then I would type in form here at the top, form submission, and then here at the left, I'd click add criteria, form name, and then I would select the free guide download form, and then save. Now I will send an email to recipients who download the free guide. So I'll click communications here on the left, send email. I'll select email number 1, which is the welcome email, and click save. And now I will set up a 3-day delay before the recipient receives the second email in the series. So I'll hit the plus icon and then hit delay, set amount of time, and then 1, 2, 3 days, save. And now I'll set it up so that the recipient receives the second email in the sequence. So communications, send email. Now I'll just choose email number 2 and save. And now there will be another delay of 3 days before the workflow continues. So we'll just do this the same as before and save. And now what we'll do is we will send a third email to people who opened the second email in the sequence. But for those who did not open the second email in the sequence, this workflow will end. So to set that up, what we'll do is we'll click the add symbol here, click branch and/or logic. Branch name here will be opened email number 2, and then add criteria. And then we'll type in here marketing emails. And then email number 2, because that it'll be based on people who've opened email 2. We'll just change this to contact opened email and save. And now we will send email number 3 to those who opened email 2. We'll just do that and save. And then one other thing we'll do here is I'll just include a note. For if none of the criteria are met, go here. And then under there, I will type in did not open email number 2 and save. And if, as you can see, for those who open email 2, we send email number 3 to them. And for recipients who do not open email 2, the workflow ends. So that's just how you do a lead nurturing workflow in HubSpot. If you'd like to learn more about some other projects I've worked on, I've included a link in the comments. Thanks very much for listening, and have a great day.